will do this split and how to do it. I will show you now some exercises which help you to stretch. So let's start. So we will take our legs in this object and try take our body in this. Take on the back and after we'll start working and stretch one leg. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Stay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Change leg. So take it 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Stay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Try take two legs together in this side and still stay 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And try take your hands and push it up. So good work. Take two legs together and starting slowly pushing down. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So 1, 2. Good work. I hope that you like this video. Text me, like, subscribe and go watch my another video. So bye bye.